Hey guys, I'm finally back with another video and it is my favorite time of the year. It's the holiday season. I just wanted to create something really simple and really pretty that I could show people that they can wear to like their holiday parties, or if you want to wear this out to New Year's, you definitely can. So stay tuned and watch how I created this look. So just starting out with skin prep, of course, I am just cleansing the skin first with the Thayer's Witch Hazel and the lavender scent. And I am spraying on a new product that I just got. Well, I didn't just get it, but I got it a while back. And I love, love, love it. It is the OMGLO Highlighting Finishing Spray. And I spray that on the skin before foundation and moisturizer. And the shade that it is in is Muva. For foundation, I also used a new product in my kit. I am using the I cannot talk today. I am using the Danessa Myricks Vision Cream. I mixed the shades W04 and W05 to get her perfect shade. It matches so flawlessly. That foundation is amazing. It is a full coverage foundation, but it can be sheared out with maybe like a beauty oil or a moisturizer. And I am using an Alcone. I don't know if you say Alcone. Like I said today, I just cannot talk. It's late and I'm tired. I'm using an Alcone sponge, going back and forth with that. My MAC 153 dual fiber brush, and also the Black Beauty Blender just to apply and blend the foundation out onto the skin. Now, I know there are some bomb concealers on the market, some really great high-end stuff, but I have really been riding with the ColourPop No Filter concealers. I bought a couple more shades and I am just in love. So to highlight and conceal on her, I used the shades Medium Dark 38, and then I layered that with Medium Dark 32. These I just can't say enough. Clearly, I'm tongue-tied yet again. These concealers are the bomb, y'all. So hopefully, if you have not tried them out, you get the opportunity to try them out. They are only $6 or $5. I think they're $6 retail. So if you have not checked these out, come on, man. You cannot use money as an excuse because they are so affordable and the product is just amazing. To cream contour, I'm just going in with the Black Opal Cream Stick Foundation in the shade Carob. I've been really adjusting the way I contour, really switching up like how deep I go with the contour shades. It really does make a world of a difference. I just love how her skin turned out in this look because I really just paid attention to detail, and I feel like I got the best result in the end. I just feel like this contour shade is just warm enough to bring out the warmth, the natural warmth in her skin tone. Nothing too heavy, nothing too dramatic that would look too shadowy or too muddy on camera or in person. Now let's set that concealer. I am just using the Real Techniques setting brush, and I am using the Sachabuttercup loose powder, also mixed with the RCMA no color powder as my favorite loose setting powder mixture. Now for eyes, where I would typically go in with like a concealer or a shadow base, I am just using a liner. This is called Designer Purple by Met Cosmetics. I've had it for a while, so it was a little dried out. It was a little bit hard to kind of get that product on her eyelids, but I got just enough on there to act as a base for the one shadow that I am going to place over it. And I'm just laying down the Kett colorless loose powder just in case I had any fallout from the eyeshadow that I was going to place on top of that eyeliner. And I used this really pretty jewel tone purple that was in the Morphe 35M Boss Moods palette. And I only used this shadow, placed that on with a Bedellium Tool shader brush, and I kind of just buffed that into the crease. Really simple, really pretty. I swear this was the easiest eyeshadow look I have ever done in my history of doing makeup. And probably one of my favorite looks that I've done in a long time, because it's just so effortless and it's really pretty, and it really complimented my friend Tiara. She looks so good. Yeah, it's like crazy how you can go so simple sometimes and the outcome can just be so glamorous. I love it. And I just threw on a pair of these Kett lashes to really bring out the eyes. No eyeliner, just a lash and some mascara. So going back with the OMGLO Highlighting Illuminating Spray in the shade Muva, again, I am spraying the skin, and then I am also adding the Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter well, not the shade Amrezy, but it is the Amrezy highlighter. And just keeping the lips real simple for a colorful eye, I am lining them with ColourPop's BFF3 and adding, I want to say MAC, and then NYX Creme Brûlée Butter Gloss. It's all raggedy. Don't judge me, y'all. And here is one last look at our beautiful before. And here is our beautiful glowing after. Thank you guys so much if you stay tuned until the end of this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you guys happen to recreate this look, please tag me on Instagram. I will leave my Instagram and also the products I use in the description box below. Thank you guys, and I hope you're having a great holiday. Mwah.